everyone, I'm giving away my wardrobe. Shall I keep it, donate it, or give to you? Welcome back to episode 3 of I'm Giving Away My Wardrobe. Yes, you heard that correctly. Welcome to my mini boutique of chaos today. If you missed episode 1 and 2, I'll link them above so you be sure to check them out and what we featured on those 2 episodes from my beautiful little boutique here. This is a series where I am giving away my wardrobe. I thought this would be a great way for you to help me figure out, shall I keep it, donate it, or give to you? I thought this would be not only just a fun, interactive way to showcase everything that I'm giving away and how I'm putting more sustainable practices into my wardrobe. And if you would like anything that is featured, please put it in the comments below and let me know. I'll have my contact information down there, and it's just that easy. It will go home with you. I do this process typically quite a bit during the year, and so I thought this would be such a great way to take some of the anxiety when I'm, deciding, should I give it away? Should I keep it? This way you can help me out, and we're helping each other out. And maybe if you're going through the same thing right now, it is spring cleaning, so the perfect time to be purging those closets. We can help each other out with our own checks and balances and kind of keep each other in check. And if you want something out of this wardrobe, you just let me know. I will also have in the description below of all the items that are featured on today's episode, the sizes, the exact brand, and I will throughout time keep you updated what is spoken for, what I've kept, or what I've decided to donate. Again, if you missed episode 1 and 2, I try on all the items, go through each of them, very detailed description, so go check it out. All right, let's have some fun and let's get started. Okay, first up on the chopping block is this Commence pleated long maxi skirt, which I freaking love. What I love about this maxi skirt is that it's got the slit up the side. And so when I originally saw it on the model, on the website, I'm like, I gotta have it. So cool, with some really cool boots underneath it and a really cool belt, like a double belt or a single belt, and maybe like a bodysuit like I have on today. She looks like she just overtakes my body. She's just a bit much material for me, but maybe she'd look great on you. And so I've actually never worn her one time. She's beautiful material. I love Commence. They're such a great, affordable luxe sensibility boutique. If you haven't checked them out, you really should go check out their things. She is up for either donation or maybe coming home with you. So let me know in the comments. Okay, next up is this beautiful self-portrait dress. If you watched episode 1 or 2, I had another self-portrait dress on there. I love dresses. Mwah. I can't help myself. They're my go-to piece. So I have quite a bit of dresses. So if you're a dress lover, or if you know somebody who's a dress lover, make sure to share these episodes with them because I've got some good ones that are featured. This particular dress, unlike the other one, I have worn the heck out of. Love, love, love. I'm just kind of ready to turn her to the next chapter in her life. I remember I wore it to San Francisco for a special trip with my husband and kids. She'll forever be in my heart and I love her to death. Let me know if that's going to be your home. Next up is this beautiful 3-piece set by Mon Vest. It's a boutique that I found on Instagram. Just came across my page one day and I got her, I think it was last spring. And she is absolutely another one of those affordable luxe sensibility pieces that is just gorgeous. And who doesn't want a good 3-piece set in their closet? Unfortunately, the shorts, they just don't fit me properly. Oh, I hate that when that happens. I mean, of course I could keep the vest and the blazer, but then I feel like it's a set and it should just be all together for somebody to enjoy. I'm very meticulous when it comes to shorts. The back of these just don't fit my rump the way that I would like them to. It's not as very attractive, but maybe they'll fit you. Just not my jam. So they need to be somewhere else where somebody else can enjoy them. The blazer is absolutely beautiful. It's kind of got this little open back in the back with these really beautiful button detail on it. The vest is really cool. It's got the cutouts on the side. Really lovely 3-piece set. Shall we donate it or give to you? That's the question. And next up in the shoe department, if you've been with me for a while, you know I am a shoe, coat, and handbag crazy lady. And I have too many. Slingbacks are one of my favorite style of shoe to have in the closet. And when I went through the purge this time, these two just needed to make it to somewhere else because I just don't wear them enough. I don't know what it is. The Jeffrey Campbells, they don't fit my foot correctly. Now my mom has a pair and she loves hers, but they don't fit my foot. And the Aldos are beautiful. They're very much kind of very similar to the YSL slingbacks that I have. So these are beautiful shoes that need a home to be donated, or maybe your home. Okay, next up is this Zara coat blazer. It's 3/4 length and it's gorgeous with these beautiful ruffle sleeves on the side that are also 3/4 length. I have worn the heck out of her and I have a cream one just like her. I felt that maybe I don't need both of them in my closet and I have so many black coats. My husband needs to build me another closet just for the coats. I know it's awful. It's really bad. I have a serious addiction to coats. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I'm from California and we used to wear coats all the time. If you love her or if you know somebody else who would love her, let me know. Okay, next up is this Nicole Williams times Bar 3 collaboration that was sold at Macy's. And this one was hard to put on this rack because I love this blue. It is so pretty on and this suit looks really great on. Not super wide leg, but wide leg trouser. That is absolutely just super lovely on with the pocket detail, and they just flows and fits and just it's lightweight, perfect for spring and summer. And if it's hot in winter wherever you live, this would be perfect all year round. And the color is absolutely beautiful. So this one was really hard to let go, but I have so many freaking suits. It's like crazy. So let me know if I should keep it because you know I love blue, or should we donate it, or should we give to you? Okay, next up are 2 button-down blouses, one from Commence. It is a quilted, lovely little thicker button-down that I love, but I've worn her quite a bit. And the next is this lovely H&M satin blouse, which is a little bit longer in the back. You cannot go wrong with a good white button-down blouse or quilted blouse or whatever. This one's just really cool from Commence. I've worn them to death and I have quite a bit of them in my closet. So, you know, it's just getting to where you have to do, what are you getting your most wear out of? And I'm not wearing them anymore. I haven't touched them since last year. Probably time to donate or give to you. Next up is this beautiful Lucy Paris linen summer dress. She looks very similar to a Zimmerman dress that you probably all have seen. So she's a luxe for less that I had in my closet. I don't know if I should give her away or keep her. I don't know. I love this dress and it's such a great, who doesn't need a good linen dress in their closet for spring and summer? What I love about her, she doesn't have the crisscross, so she's not completely open like the Zimmerman dresses. So she's got a nice zip in the back. It's very functional, I guess is what I'm saying, and is very versatile. Could be worn with sneakers or heels. Oh, such a sweet little dress for the summer. Okay, next up is, you guessed it, another dress. I told you I'm dressed crazy, and this dress has a story behind it, and I guess that's also the purpose behind this episode. Everything in your closet has a story, in my opinion. Your wardrobe, it's got some place where it came from or given to you or meaning and all those things, and a lot of drama comes in the closet. And with this particular item, if you know Blair Edie from Atlanta Pacific, she's one of the first OG fashion bloggers that I just fell in love with years ago. She had a very similar dress on to this dress, and I just was like, the price, I just can't. I don't know, it was something outrageously crazy for the dress. I went as I usually do, and if you follow me, you know I love a good luxe for less. And this dress, I found it. The company is called, it says Just Me, but I think I got it at some little boutique. But either way, it is very similar to the one that Blair had on. I have worn this so many times. I mean, literally a lot of times. My husband's kind of sick of looking at me in the dress because it was like my go-to dress for like the first 2 years I got her. And she's just comfortable, especially going to the carpool. I think she's gotten her ROI in my closet and maybe she needs another home. So let me know if that's gonna be yours. Okay, so we've gotten through quite a bit more pieces. I greatly appreciate your help today in helping me clean out my closet with confidence and knowing that it's gonna go to a great home if it doesn't stay here with me. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also the notification because you don't wanna miss the next episode so we can continue going through this little mini boutique of mine. Thank you so much for watching today and helping me continue my sustainability practices in my wardrobe to keep our planet beautiful and creating wardrobes that we love and that love our planet. And I'll see you in the next episode. Let me know if that next home is going to be hers. Will she be taking up lease and paying rent? It's stupid.